Good morning. It's day number 3 and we are heading out of camp. It is 7:28 and that might have been the loudest shelter I've ever slept in, and I was probably one of the culprits. I was tossing and turning all night, but still feel like I'm rested and I got some sleep. Now we have to climb out of Pecks Corner and get on the AT. We have 11 miles, 11.1, and then we are going into Gatlinburg today. So it's supposed to be a gorgeous day. I'm already hearing the birds chirping. Here's our view this morning as we're walking this, what I'm guessing is a ridgeline. We haven't had any uphill except for the 0.4 out of the shelter. Just came up to this beautiful view this morning. We are getting a little climbing in now, but we are getting some spectacular views, and it's super windy. So I still have my rain jacket on, but I'm in my shorts. And took off the 36 degrees. So it's supposed to get up to 55, but by the time it gets that warm, we should be off the trail. Let me show you what it looks like. Here is part of the trail that we're on right now. The mountains are going to protect us a little bit from the wind, but I'm still feeling it. Like I said, we have been blessed with this view. We're walking along the ridge line, and this is to our left, and it's so beautiful. Just enjoy. Another view. This is a pretty narrow trail. I find myself leaning into the left at times towards the mountainside and not the cliffside. But it's been a beautiful hike so far today. We've made it to the turnoff for Charlie's Bunion. You can see Jamie going that way. The AT goes this way, but I would always choose this route on the AT because otherwise you miss Charlie's Bunion. And on a day like today, why would you do that? This is the route to Charlie's Bunion. See somebody sprawled up on one of the rocks. We are on Charlie's Bunion. Look at it out there. This place is near and dear to my heart. I've brought my nieces and nephews up here, my brother up here, a couple of my coaches that were former players up here. It's always a treat. And Jamie now, not that I brought him up here, he was coming up here anyways, but it's just neat to share this place with so many people that I care about. So I always love coming back. Next up, Ice Spring Water Shelter. Got about 0.4 to get to the top. And then we head down to Newfound Gap. This is Ice Spring Water Shelter. It is the very first AT shelter I've ever visited on a day hike. So it was a nice climb up here.
Nice day on the North Carolina side.
I am finally, I think, on the downhill after Ice Spring Water Shelter. There was a guy up there. He's waiting for a bunch of college kids bringing mulch for the privies. So I've been seeing them as I've been climbing, and they've been going down. But we sure do appreciate those people that put that extra work in to make it more enjoyable for us backpackers. So oh, here's some more. Hey, these guys are heading over to Ice Spring Water Shelter to help with the privy with some mulch. Where are you guys from?
I'm from the Bahamas, but I attend ECU.
Okay.
Yeah, we both go to ECU. I'm from Chapel Hill, North Carolina.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Well, we sure do appreciate it, all us backpackers. So thank you.
Thank
Yes,
you.
thank
as
you.
well.
So here are some more of the helpers. Tell me again what college you guys are from? A&M? It's from all different schools.
All different schools. Yeah, we got a consortium of students.
Awesome. Thank you guys so much. You too. We're headed down to Newfound Gap, and this section has such a aroma of pine, minus my sniffles, and it is just so beautiful. So I wish you guys could smell these scents that are out here and be able to enjoy them like I am. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Peace out.